Hello, welcome to Jewelsteps. In this video, we'll learn how to create a sell invoice in a Jewelsteps. Navigate to the Transaction tab and click on the Save Invoice. Select the customer name. If the customer is new, just click on the plus icon. From here, you can quickly add the details. So as of now, we select the existing one from here. Just select on the customer name. Enter the invoice date. Now add the product details. You can either scan barcode or search for the item manually. And verify the weight, purity, rate and other details are correctly applied. Then click on the add shift. Now proceed to the payment section. Select the cash, UPI, bank, check, metal exchange. Enter the receipt amount and confirm the balance if any. Finally, click on the save to the complete invoice. Print or share the invoice with the customer. Once the invoice is saved, the system is automatically updated the stock. Thank you.